Hey guys, I just finished the sculpture, and before I put up the process of the sculpture, it's taken me quite some time to build the sculpture and to do the video of it. But as you can tell, it's pretty complex. I think it's probably one of my more complex animal sculptures, just because I had to study up on snake anatomy and alligator anatomy. And if you've watched some of the channel before, you saw that I did a previous alligator sculpture, and the reason was because I was studying up for this idea of a alligator wrestling or attacking a python. And I guess I was inspired by what's happening in Florida. The pythons are killing alligators and all the animals out in Florida. But so this is the final sculpture, and I'm going to try and make some plaster casts and reproductions of it. And if any of you guys are interested in buying it, just let me know. It took me quite some time to do, but I think it's kind of cool. I'm having some issues. I'm still cleaning it up. This is water-based clay, and I had a bunch of just leftover water-based clay. That's why I used this, but I'm going to try and make a latex mold and then cast it. It's one of these things. You have to kind of learn about anatomy to do this. And snakes, man, they're very complex. The shapes of them are really, really, really difficult to do. So the last thing I'm going to do is just kind of put some details on here and sign it, which I usually never do, but since I'm making a mold, might as well. And look to the channel for the complete process. I did video from start to finish, and it took me a few weeks to do this. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.